Why does one Power BI project cost us $2,000 while another costs us $50,000? Same tool, same dashboards, right? Not even close. And if you don't understand the difference, you could either overpay or worse, underinvest and end up with something that doesn't work. Most businesses look at Power BI like it's just a dashboard, so they compare prices like they are buying a product. But Power BI projects are not products, they are solutions, and the cost depends entirely on what problem you're trying to solve. Let me break this down simply. There are 5 main factors that drive the cost of a Power BI project. Number 1, number of data sources. A 2K project might use one Excel file, maybe one clean data source. But a more advanced project could include ERP systems, CRM platforms, marketing tools, financial systems. At that point, you're not just building a dashboard, you're connecting the entire business. Number 2, data quality and complexity. If your data is clean and ready, that's fast. But in most real-world cases, data is messy. Formats do not match, relationships are unclear, and fixing that can take more time than building the dashboard itself. Number 3, level of automation. Lower cost projects typically include manual refreshes, static reports. More advanced setups include automated data pipelines, scheduled refreshes, real-time dashboards. That's a completely different level of value. Number 4, depth of analysis. A simple project may include basic charts and KPIs. A more advanced one includes profitability analysis, scenario modeling, trend analysis, decision support. Now you are not just reporting, you are actually guiding decisions. And lastly, number 5, user experience and design. A basic dashboard works but limited. A high-end solution feels like an application, interactive navigation, clean executive-friendly design, because if people don't use it, it has no value. So it's not really about 2K versus 50K. Most Power BI projects actually fall somewhere in between. The real cost depends on how many systems you are connecting, how complex your data is, and how much impact you want the solution to have. So the real question isn't why is this expensive? It's what level of solution does my business actually need? Think about it this way. Lower cost projects mean basic reporting, smaller scope, limited impact. Higher end projects typically include full visibility across your business, automated data flow, direct impact on revenue and cost. 2 very different outcomes. This is why some companies feel Power BI didn't work. They didn't choose the wrong tool. They invested at the wrong level. If you're trying to figure out what level your business actually needs, visit datapivotconsultant.com. Book a free strategy session and I'll help you define the right scope before you spend $1. And if you found this helpful, share this video with someone who might be considering Power BI as a BI tool for his business. And subscribe for more videos like this one.